Hello, and welcome to What is Crypto? I'm Matt, and this is Crypto. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Kaspa, ticker symbol KAS. So a bit about my channel firstly. Here I give to the point crypto information and education and discuss all things crypto. I try to be short and sweet as time is money, and money is more coins and tokens to fill up those bags. If this sounds like it could be for you, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And hey, you can always unsub later if I don't live up to your expectations. Let's get into it. So Kaspa's vision. The vision behind this project is to build a Nakamoto-like peer-to-peer payment service that operates as fast as internet speeds allow. They wanted to build a system that surpasses the limits of Satoshi's Bitcoin while adhering to the same principles. Contrary to Satoshi's vision, Bitcoin did not become a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Kaspa really aims to do what Bitcoin set out to do, which is become the #1 peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Kaspa acknowledges the revolutionary nature of Bitcoin, calling it one of the most important financial revolutions in human history. Kaspa, however, also states that Bitcoin has not achieved what Satoshi initially envisioned. People are now holding on to Bitcoin for long periods of time as a store of value, similar to digital gold. Kaspa is more like a digital silver, which is more abundant and meant to be spent. This leads into where the name Kaspa originated from, as Kaspa is translated from the Aramaic word meaning silver. They say, for Kaspa, we look to silver, which presented a different trade-off versus gold. In the original Aramaic text, silver was historically treated as less precious than gold, but more circulative, less valuable, yet more acceptable as payment. With this prospect, we call this project Kaspa, Aramaic word for silver and money. I would strongly encourage you to read more about the vision here on this website. I'll include a link below. Another simple reason I love this project is how user-friendly their website is, as one of the biggest barriers to the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies is the difficulty of use for new users. So it's really pleasing to see Kaspa having such a user-friendly interface. About Kaspa. Kaspa is the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer ever built on a proof-of-work engine. Transactions sent to miners can be included immediately in the ledger, which is structured as a revolutionary block DAG. Kaspa is based on the Ghost DAG/Phantom protocol, a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus, or Bitcoin consensus. Its design is faithful to the principles Satoshi embedded into Bitcoin: proof-of-work mining, UTXO-formed isolated state, deflationary monetary policy, no pre-mine, and no central governance. Kaspa is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the current level of security offered by the most secure proof-of-work environments. Kaspa's current mainnet operates with 1 block per second. The core developer's goal is to increase the number of blocks per second substantially, attracting the development of smart contracts and DeFi. Solving the trilemma. If you're into crypto, you should have already heard of the blockchain trilemma, a concept coined by Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, which refers to the 3 issues faced by blockchains, with creators having to compromise on one aspect. They are, of course, decentralization, scalability, and security. Kaspa uses fast confirmations for the scalability aspect. Kaspa's consensus layer supports fast sub-second confirmations, a fast first confirmation which enables use cases that need immediate proof of publication. High throughput tackles the security. Using Ghost DAG, Kaspa's consensus layer removes security as a bottleneck for high throughput, allowing block rate and block size to increase up to what the network can handle. And the decentralization is mainly tackled through their mining as well as the Fair Work release. Kaspa's consensus layer, fast block rate, decreases the variance of mining income, which decreases the incentive to join mining pools, contributing to mining decentralization. Now looking at the tokenomics. The block DAG architecture, with rapid block rates, allows decentralization and enables effective solo mining even at lower hash rates. Fair launched in November of 2021 with no pre-mine, zero pre-sales, and no coin allocations. Kaspa is 100% decentralized, open source, and community managed. The max supply of Kaspa is 28.7 billion coins, with an emission schedule that halves once per year via smooth monthly reductions by a factor of a half to the power of 1/12, which is depicted in the above emission schedule. Looking at this illustration on Twitter will help to compare block DAGs to blockchains. Alright, so now we're just going to have a quick look over at CoinGecko. So on CoinGecko, you can see the price rockets all the way up to around the 4 cent mark. It since then has come back to under the 2 cents. And opening a chart up on TradingView, you can see that the RSI has come down significantly from its peak, closing in on that 30 mark, with the value also being below the 20 MA, although noting that because of the limited price action and price history, due to the short life of the project, the MA probably isn't as reliable. But the RSI is still trending in the right direction, with it also having reduced by over 50% from its all-time high, meaning that it could potentially be in the buying zone. Going back to Kaspa's homepage, we're going to have a look at some of the contributors. So the founder, Yotan Sompolinsky, I hope I'm saying his name right. DAG Labs was founded by Dr. Yotan Sompolinsky with the purpose of implementing the Ghost DAG protocol. Yotan started gaining a reputation with the cryptocurrency academic circle back in 2013 when he and Professor Zohar conceived the Ghost protocol, a protocol famous for being cited in the Ethereum white paper as a design goal. Other key members, Shai Waborski, a very intelligent man, PhD candidate. He looks into quantum cryptography. We've got Michael Suttons, core developer, Mike Zatt, core developer. Yeah, some very, very intelligent names here. So really, really good team behind Kaspa. In summary, Kaspa is a layer 1 using the Bitcoin framework to become the peer-to-peer electronic cash system Bitcoin set out to be. It is less scarce and more transferable, meaning it is a more ideal form of payment than Bitcoin. It is currently the world's fastest proof-of-work blockchain, and its consensus layer fast block rate decreases incentive to join mining pools, which results in increased decentralization. It utilizes Ghost DAG protocol, famously mentioned in the Ethereum white paper. It had a fair launch after years of development. It is fully open sourced and without centralized governments. It has good tokenomics, a good team behind it, and a good community supporting it. It really is a pretty exciting project. None of this is financial advice, and I do not currently own any. However, I do plan on buying some Kaspa immediately, starting to dollar cost, as I think this is a really attractive price point. Just know you're still very early to Kaspa. It's a protocol with potentially revolutionary technology. It definitely could rocket in the next bull run, and I really don't think a 50 to 100x from here is unreasonable in the next 5 to 8 years or 1 to 2 bull runs. This would only put the market cap at 15 to 30 billion, sometime between 2028 to 2031. This is only the market cap of around Cardano, which is 13 billion, and XRP, which is 28 billion, at this current low valuation in a bear market. For reference, Cardano has surpassed 90 billion, almost touching the 100 billion peak during the bull run. So a 15 to 30 billion dollar market evaluation isn't as optimistic as some might think. With the current price at around 1.7 cents and the current market cap of around 310 billion, 100x from here has it sitting around the $1.70 mark. That also has the market cap of around the 30 billion. So that's all for today, folks. Thanks again. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, legends.